some lip gloss tubes. I just ordered these so I can test these out because I don't know if I want to use these. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be unboxing some products and I will be showing you guys some of my lip gloss tubes from my website. You can always go on there and order some. My website is krecosmetics.com. But yeah, let's get to it. Every time I post, I will be posting every other day, maybe. Not sure yet, still thinking about it, because not unfortunately, but I have a 10-month-old that also needs to be looked after. So yeah, so let's get started. I recently just purchased some stuff from TKB Trading and Amazon. So yeah, I will put the links to the stuff that I ordered in the comments in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. I'll also put my website in there, so make sure you check that out too. So first things first. Okay, no. First, in a few weeks I will start to sell body shimmer and rose water for your face. And with those, I'm thinking I'm gonna do the sample / travel size first before I upgrade to the bigger bottles. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'll have them priced up under, but yeah. These are from Amazon. These little tubes. Okay, this is smaller than this. There's 10 milliliters and 20 milliliters of clear plastic fine mist spray bottles, which is this right here. So yeah, and in this it comes with funnels to pour the liquid into. It comes with two or three, and then it comes with the little, I guess, a little cleaner. I don't know. But yeah, that's that. Then I have some lip gloss tubes. I just ordered these so I can test these out because I don't know if I want to use these. I think I'm just gonna continue using the lip gloss tubes that I already have. But yeah, these are 15 milliliters empty clear e-bottles, I guess. So they're a little bigger than the ones that I normally have on my website. That's that. And I like these tubes, but not these specifically, because it's hard for me to put the lip gloss in here. But these are the ones. Yeah, that's that. I ordered mica powder from 2 different places. I ordered it from Amazon and I ordered it from TKB Trading. So first we're going to do the TKB Trading one. This is how it looks. I ordered the sample because I'm just testing these ones out first to see how they sell on my website. This one is called Adam and Eve glitter. It's not gonna be called this on my website. I haven't picked a name for it yet, so just bear with me. But yeah. So yeah, that's the Adam and Eve glitter from TKB Trading. Again, I will post a link to this in the website, in the description box below. Next is my this is called, I got some holographic glitter silver. That's that. I haven't picked a name for this either, so I don't know what I want to call them yet. But yeah, these will be on my website in a few weeks or a few days. Not sure when they're gonna be on there soon, real soon. Okay. Now, oh, these are my mica powders from Amazon. Yeah, 50 colors. So this is what they look like, and they have different names on them. I've already used some of these on my website, so yeah, go check those out. This is just a few colors, so yeah. These are just a few colors. Yeah, they have a little glitter in them, but I'll show y'all the actual tubes with the lip gloss in them that's been selling like crazy. I only have a few lip glosses with these first. I haven't put up any new lip glosses yet because I'm in the middle of rebranding my stuff. So once I redo, so basically I do everything myself. So I do all my labels, my my lip glosses, mist, everything that's on my website. I home make those, do all of those by myself with raw ingredients. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys some of the lip glosses that's already on my website. So this beauty is called Rose. This is an 8 milliliter tube. Yeah, it's very soft. This is made with coconut oil, lip gloss base, and I think I put a little bit of peppermint oil in here. So yeah. This is this one is called Gone Girl. It's like a purple one. I'm not sure. I'm maybe gonna throw these away because of how the glitter is like on one side. So yeah, I don't really like that. This one is called Hot Girl. It's a pink. It's when it shows up, it's like a pinkish clear or whatever, but it's really soft. This one is it has coconut oil, grapeseed oil, of course lip gloss base, and yeah. This one, those are that. This is Royalty. Royalty sells like crazy. People really love Royalty. It's a gold lip gloss. I use with gold mica powder from Amazon. And yeah, this is made with, this has coconut oil in it. And yeah. And this one, I just recently made this. I only made 2 of these. This is the last one that I have. So guys, that is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, you guys can comment. Please comment. Please give me your feedback. Like this video, like I said, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell too, so you can know every time I post. I will be posting videos, like I said before, every other day. It just depends on how, like, I have a 10-month-old, so it just depends on her schedule and her nap time. So I would try to post within her nap time and stuff like that. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and we gon' get this show on the road. Bye, babes.